I hope you have found by now that the Bernina 880 is loaded with all sorts of resources and tutorials right here on screen. So even if you don't know what to look it up in your manual or which video of ours you should watch, you always have a couple things in place. So I want to show you where the embroidery tutorials are. And don't forget, at any time, the quick help, the question mark, can be used to touch something and it will give you a idea of what it's called, what it can do, and spell out what that function is all about. But the embroidery tutorials, look at what the little picture here is. It's a book. So our book contains like how to thread the machine, different sewing techniques, your Bernina stitch regulator, and look right here, embroidery and embroidery techniques. So let's just kind of explore a little bit. Again, some of the basics of attaching the hoops or things about embroidery stabilizer. And I know it's right at your fingertips. So if you're like, gosh, I just kind of want to read through something, this is a great place to find. You've got lots of options. Touch the little arrow here to go back, and we can even explore into the embroidery techniques. So how do you do cut work? How do you do punch work? What is fringe all about? Trapunto. This is funny. These are so many of the things that we actually do in our Embroidery Essentials online course. But instead of just reading all about it, you actually get to do all these different techniques. Now, we actually have a total of 15 techniques, and we'll put links to this course in the description below, and you can check it out for yourself and see what you're going to be learning. It's actually about 3.5-hour long course plus 90 minutes of bonus content. So if this is of interest to you, a lot of these techniques are included, and you'll be able to do them on this machine step by step. If you need help, I am always your instructor you reach out to, and we can help you along the way. You have a beautiful embroidery machine. Let's be using it to its fullest. Take an online course. It will be worth it.